I think this home in particular really bridges that gap between what is classically modern and what is actually warm and feels like a home. I'm Brett Woods.
And I'm Joe Dangaran. We are Woods Dangaran Architects, and this is the Clear Oak Residence.
The objective in working with Joe and Brett was, let's go with mid-century. We're not going to make a new style, but I want to make sure we do it in a way where the finished home is very warm.
In our mind, we always shoot for timeless materials. We have travertine floor, we have teak walls. These materials have been used in architecture. I mean, all of Rome was built on travertine. Teak will withstand being on the exterior of a building for 100 years. Consistency is really important. You'll see that the interior floors and the exterior floors are all travertine. So when the doors are open, the line between interior and exterior space is blurred.
I think one thing that I really enjoy about my home is the amount of space. When you walk up to the home, the first thing you feel is a sense of relaxation when you're walking past the open carport, walking by a water feature, and you approach the front door. And by the time you get to the front door, you're already more relaxed than you were when you were at the entry point by the street. And then you open the front door and you walk in, and you're greeted by a bank of all glass doors, bringing the outdoors in, and it's very relaxing. And it's just like a big exhale.
When Robert first purchased the house, the backyard was about half the size that it is today. And I think there was some really great strategies that we all use to make the backyard feel bigger, with the pool cantilevering, actually visually extending your eye so it makes the backyard feel bigger, using retaining walls in specific locations to build out fire pit areas. And so when you go out there, the house is a peninsula. You are floating above the city, but you don't feel like you're exposed because the landscape is so protective and you don't feel like you're in a hillside. So I think it's very successful, the backyard.
When I first moved into the house, I could not believe how much life the home had just by allowing all this natural light to come in every morning.
We place skylights strategically in homes to draw your eye somewhere and thereby draw your movement towards something and actually pulls you through a space. I think that a lot of these openings, whether it's a skylight on the interior or a framed portal on the exterior, you actually relate to the scale of the cutout.
And I think we're sort of challenging that obvious view by saying, look up, right? And look at the sky and let's frame this moment. So I think that one thing you'll notice with this puncture, when you walk through the entry, you immediately get a little sliver of blue. It makes you a bit curious to kind of walk and find it. So it becomes this little moment, this experience that you're not expecting.
LA is a car culture city. In mid-century architecture, the carport celebrates that, right? The car is on display. It's in some ways a pedestal for a really beautifully designed object.
When I think about a great car, the first thing that I think about is the fit and the finish, the quality of the material, the beauty of it, and how does that marry in a reliable package and deliver that in a seamless experience. And at Clear Oak, there was definitely an intention to look for materials that were beautiful because you're going to live with it for a very long time, but you also wanted things that would last. So that speaks to the material itself and to the workmanship and the build quality.
We design from the inside out. We design based on floor plan. We are much more that form follows function. How do we remove visual noise from a home? How do we simplify things so that there's this calmness that's created by the architectural materials?
But I think at Clear Oak, there's more than that. There's the intention that less is more, whether it's beauty or intention of design. It's there, but it's subtle and you feel it and you don't need more than that.
I think there is a balance between white space and how it does allow for you to feel confident and comfortable. And also another thing too is that what it does allow for you is to have your own thoughts. I think this house allows for you to think clearly.
A certain ethos that I was really looking for was a space that would more than allow you to relax, to be comfortable and yourself and at one. And everything that we chose came together to deliver a home that I think allows you to have that great exhale in these modern times that makes you feel really comfortable.